It's brick. I ain't even gonna hold you. Type shit. I'm gonna keep it a stack, alright? Cause everybody got their own opinion on this and shit. And but I just gotta keep it 100, bro. And girl, I guess that's what you say. I don't fucking know. But let me see. Let me go ahead and stab. Alright, bruh. Should you start on a fucking 600, a 750, a fucking 1000, a goddamn liter bike, right? And see, in my opinion, I say get what the fuck you want. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, we all adults, and you do what you do. Now I think people got a misconception on 1000s, right? I'm on a 1000. I think motherfuckers think when you get on that bitch, like you just gonna take off. Like that ain't really. It takes common sense to know, like you should know your own riding abilities. You know what I'm saying? And in my opinion, I feel like you get the bike that you want, you'll be straight. Personally, I wouldn't start on a 300, bro. Like that is ridiculous, in my opinion. And I also do recommend. Oh, that's ice. I also do recommend taking a motorcycle class if you don't know how to ride. And even if you do know how to ride, don't think that you really know how to ride, because there's some shit that you don't know. You know what I'm saying? That's just my opinion. So take what you want with that. Hold fast. And they turned out anyway and still went slow. But yeah, man, people think that you're just gonna take off fast and shit on a 1000. And these bitches got all types of different modes. Like obviously I'm riding the A mode, traction control off, right? Bro, you can turn this. Let me see. Can you do this shit while you riding? I don't even know for real. Nah, I don't think you can do it while you riding, but fucking. Can you adjust traction? Yeah, my shit just slowed down doing that. We don't like that though. We like to, you know what I'm saying? This bitch got traction control all the way to 10 on it. Let me see. That bitch go all the way to, oh no, it stopped at 9. Can't switch it to B mode or C mode, but I mean, bro, if you start on the 1000 and you kind of scared, put that motherfucker in C mode. That's what I did, but not on this. I actually started on a Hayabusa, and that bitch, like, it terrified me because all my bros, oh shit, all my bros sent me videos of them. It was this dude on the drag strip, and he fucking. It was this dude on the drag strip, bro, and I guess he didn't know how to goddamn. He didn't know how to, I don't even know what you call it, bro. He was just trying to get after you, right? And he got ready to take off, and he fucking damn near, I think him and the bike did a backflip. It just terrified the fuck out of me, I'm not gonna lie. All because of a fucking video. What's up, big homie? But, I mean, eventually, I got over it. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all the story. So the first time I actually rode that motherfucker, I was in my neighborhood and shit, and like I got on it, you know what I'm saying? Like I was in first gear, I was like, okay, cool. Got in the second gear, cool. And then a right turn came up, and I completely forgot how to ride. I was like, oh my god, bro, I'm gonna get hit by a car, all type of shit. And bro, I fucking forgot how to fucking counter steer type shit. So I'm actually trying to turn the handlebars, and that motherfucker kept going straight. I was like, oh fuck, I'm about to crash, bro. Like it was the scariest, I don't know why, it was scary as fuck. And oh my nuts. Excuse me for my language, I know I'm cutting up, but yeah, bro, I completely forgot, man, and like I couldn't turn, I just kept going straight. And man, y'all got me fucked up. I just completely kept going straight, and then I just stopped there, like, because I was directly in front of a curb, And there was a car coming. They seen that shit, and I was like, bro, this shit is embarrassing, bro. And so I backed that motherfucker completely up and took that bitch back to the crib. I was like, yeah, I'm not riding this bitch no more. I ain't got time for this. And then I think one day my boy, he hit me up and he was like, hey bro, you trying to ride or something like that? I don't know, I couldn't even tell you, man. And I just said, fuck it. If I go down, I go down. That's what come with it. And I rode within my limit shit. I followed the speed limits. I fucking... Shit, bro, I just wasn't stupid. Damn! Bro, it's... You can start on a 1000 if you want to. Now, I don't recommend going to get no goddamn... No H2 or no MRR. You can fucking get you a Jigsaw shit. You get you a S1K. You get you an R1. Honestly, you get you anything, bro. You just go practice. Take a class. You're not finna fucking... I mean, if... Learn your throttle. That's all I can say. And your clutch. Because this clutch right here, that motherfucker is... It's way different from that booster. That booster don't start going until you damn near got it clutch all the way out. Bro, hurry up. I don't want to wait on you, gang. I gotta wait anyway. Fuck. It's possible. Just listen to Ram, alright? Listen to goddamn Uncle Ram. It's definitely possible to start on a 1000, bro. Especially if, like, I mean, you not no hoe, right? You know what I'm saying? You gonna get that 300, that 250, whatever, you can be like, damn, I want something faster. You go goddamn 120 in a car. My goddamn Jeep Cherokee do that. Fuck, I wanna go faster than 110. I think it would be cool to go faster than 110, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't recommend doing that. Follow the speed limit, you know what I'm saying? That's the right thing to do. Bro, like, people talk about these old beginner riders and shit, like, oh yeah, on the front brake. But don't use your whole fucking hand on that bit. You use like 2 fingers, 1 finger, whatever. I used to. On my clutch, I still use my whole fucking hand. That's just what's comfortable for me. People talk about, oh, beginner riders, they put both their feet down. Motherfucker, if I want to put both my feet down, that's what I'm going to do. You know what I'm saying? But I typically keep my shit on the goddamn back brake. You know what I'm saying? So, that's just what it is. So... Get you a bike, dog. You ain't got nothing to worry about, man. You gotta worry about these other cars. That's really it. If you got the confidence, bro, you straight. It be these other vehicles out here. Motherfuckers don't be seeing you and shit. It's all type of crazy stuff. You know what I'm saying? See, watch this. Like, should I kill the clutch on purpose? No, I ain't gonna do it. I'll probably kill it at the next light. Just to show y'all, bro. Like, the bike not gonna get away from you unless you just twist the fucking throttle. Other than that, like, you really straight, man. Hey, but I hope y'all having a solid day, bro. It's 8:23 where I'm at. I'm actually 2 hours late for school. That's just me, though. I be doing my own shit, and I shouldn't be. Should be following the rules, you know what I'm saying? But this motherfucking, should I say YOLO? Fuck it, bro. I ain't too much tripping. I'm gonna get my shit done. I just be cooling on it. Oh shit. Alright, Alright, up here I'll probably kill the clutch just cause. If the light go red. If not, I'ma just, it is what it is. Come on, big dog. Oh, he turning? Shit. Should I stab? Yeah, I'm about to stab. Oh, goodness gracious. Moral of the story, man. You can start on a 1,000, a 600, 750, whatever, bro. You can start on anything, really. Just don't be dumb when you first get it. Take a class, take your time, you'll be straight. This video was all over the place, but hopefully y'all get what I'm trying to say, you know what I'm saying? But don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, man. First video, not expecting much. Let's get this video to 1 like. That 1 like probably come from me, so you know what it is. Hey, y'all stay blessed. Have a good day, man.